You're gonna hit the bottle.
I'm gonna hit this bottle. Hit this broken bottle.
It's all the way over there.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to drop one. It hits the little center fire thing. Boom!
My cocking.
This is gonna be loud. What ammo is he using?
Yeah, I barely tapped that.
Yeah, this shit's pretty warm.
Yeah, it'll get that way.
Imagine getting shot with one of these.
Yeah, it wouldn't be fun at all.
Have you guys ever stopped to think about how we're gonna turn around?
Yeah, I was kind of thinking about that. I think maybe we back up until we find or maybe we could just kind of do this shit, you know? Be all right.
See if Mark can get it. Oh!
Got it.
Did I get the bottle? I went through it?
The first one.
We're like in the middle of nowhere. This is how a lot of horror movies start.
Yeah, but the teenagers don't have a gun.
It's usually nighttime.